Here's a 6x12 single axle enclosed cargo trailer. This is our Black Raven series made by Doolittle. A lot of upgrades and enhancements on this trailer. If you notice the 4-foot nose guard. Our skins are thicker than the standard. These are 0.030, a little bit thicker than the standard 0.024. Kind of see how tight they are in comparison. 16 on center, and if you notice, look at the extra screws. A lot of the other manufacturers will do screws at about every 12 inches. You see here, these screws are about every 5 to 6 inches. 15-inch tires, Dexter Axles. These have the easy loop hubs, all LED lights, an enhancement over our other brand with the metal holder, door holder. If you see some of our older videos, those were some of the things that we didn't like on the other one. Little bullet white LEDs that change to the proper color. Barn doors, double doors. Another kind of exclusive feature, only one other manufacturer that I know of does this, is the plywood on the floor and on the walls. 3/4 on the floor, 3/8 on the wall. Another exclusive feature is a larger door. Our other brand was a 36-inch. This is a 37-inch. And all that's probably not that big of a deal, but I think we're one of the only manufacturers that does that right now, that gives you a 36-inch door. So I don't know how you guys are, other folks that are buying trailers with the 24, the 32-inch doors, how you can use that side door. But anyway, here's another thing. Look at the size of this door. If you'll notice, the door cut is all the way up almost as much as possible. A lot of other manufacturers will have a door that's about a 5-foot something door. This door is almost a full 6-inch or 6-foot door. Another thing exclusive here with our brand is a square-inch tube. There's actually a 1-inch square-inch square tube for the 16 on center here. 16 on center just means that if I were to take this wall apart, every 16 inches, I will have a 1-inch square tube. It looks a lot like this, except here, this one has a flange because it's a roof bow. But imagine if it didn't have that, and it's actually a square. That's what's behind here. A heavy gauge steel roof. It is seamed, but it is glued on the seam. All our trailers are warranted for 5 years from either the manufacturer or from Axle Motorsports. We don't put any holes in the roof. A lot of these other guys, I'm not sure why they do that. Well, I guess I know why, but they'll have a roof mounted vent, which is cool if it's a camper and stuff, but on a utility trailer, it's just something that invariably always fails. Anyway, this is our 6x12 single axle, and for the folks, kind of a very common question, regardless of how many times I put it on our FAQ or on our posting, what are the dimensions? Okay, so a 6 wide is an external measurement, so you take out for the walls, imagine about a 2-inch, so subtract 4 inches, and that should give you about a 5'8" interior. And that goes for almost all the manufacturers. And then for a Vnose, the front doesn't count, so it's a 6x12. The 12 is to right about here, so you get about an extra 1.5 feet for the front. And then as far as height goes, so that's kind of a common question, people wanting to put stuff in the back. So this guy is 6'8", and then you just pretty much just subtract about 6 inches. This gives us a 6'2" opening. So that's just kind of something you can do if you're trying to figure out you got something to put in here that's a certain height. So that's it right here. 6x12 single axle enclosed cargo trailer. This is our Black Raven line made by Doolittle.